Addiction isn't about weakness, it's about brain wiring. And once you understand how it works, it changes the whole conversation. I'm Steven, and addiction is a chronic condition that hijacks the brain's reward system. Drugs flood the brain with dopamine, a chemical tied to pleasure and motivation. Over time, the brain adapts, producing less dopamine naturally and requiring more of the drug to feel normal. This leads to tolerance, needing more to get the same effect, and withdrawal, where the body reacts negatively without the drug. Addiction affects decision-making, impulse control, and memory. People may know the consequences, but still feel powerless to stop. That's not failure, it's brain chemistry. It's also why relapse is common. It's part of the recovery process. It's not the end of it. Addiction isn't a lack of willpower. It's a real medical condition. And like any condition, it requires support, strategy, and time to heal.